Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how to create customer receive payments and keep a record of them in Splendid Accounts. To receive a payment, click on Sales on the left side. Under the Sales section, you will see the Receive Payment option. Click there. Now, here you can create manual receipts for each customer individually. If you have uh, a lot of customers and you want to receive payments from them all at once, you can do so by clicking on Add Bulk Receive Payment. Simply select the customer here. Select the account in which you want to receive the payment. If it's a bank account, it will show up here. All your cash accounts are listed here. Select the cash account, enter the amount here, and save it from here. Then select the second customer, select the other account from here, select whichever account you want to receive the payment in, save it, and as soon as you approve it, separate entries will be created for both customers or however many customers you selected in the bulk case, but they will be created all at once with just one click. In the software, their transaction numbers will also be different and the customer entries will show up properly and separately for you, and it will also show you the settlement with their invoices based on FIFO, like we just did for Hangu here. So their invoice is also settled with this. So this is how you can do it in bulk. How can we make a single receive payment? Go to Add Receive Payment and click on Add Receive Payment. Select the customer from whom we want to receive the payment. All of their credit invoices will be shown below here. Now in the payment mode, if you want to receive the payment in cash and there are multiple cash accounts, you can select whichever account you want. If you want to write something in the reference for your own record, you can do so, and you can enter the amount of payment you want to receive from the customer here. If the customer paid some in cash and some through the bank, you can also select multiple payment modes in a single entry. Like here, the customer paid me some payment, 700 rupees in cash. The remaining amount was transferred to me online, so I would have created that bank account in the software where the payment was made. Select that bank account here, enter the amount the customer gave us here, save it, and if there is any attachment like a transaction slip they gave you and you want to attach it to this receive payment, you can click on browse file and upload that picture attachment here. Here auto settlement was happening based on FIFO. So if you want to settle a specific invoice of the customer of your own choice, you can uncheck auto settlement, select the invoice you want and settle it. Or if you want to do auto settlement, simply click on this, save and approve, and the customer's received payment will be created in the software and it will also be settled with their invoice. Similarly, when you go and check the invoice status was previously approved, but now it has changed to paid, which indicates that there is no balance left on this invoice for this customer. It has been fully settled. So this is how you can record receive payments for your customers in Splendid Accounts. Thank you.